Hey guys, one more example here. Welcome back from the commercial break. We're going to figure out another integral. This integral is going to deal with a big dot. No, just kidding. This integral is going to deal with the area underneath part of a circle. Okay, and it's because of the function being 36 minus x squared. If you were to graph the function y equals the square root of 36 minus x squared, you get this curve here that would actually be half of a circle. All right, and you can tell that it's a circle because if you take and you square both sides, you square the y squared and you square the part that has the square root will go away and you'll have 36 minus x squared. Then if you solve that equation, it will actually be a circle type of equation. X squared plus y squared equals 36. Anytime you have x squared plus y squared equals a number, that gives you a circle. Okay, and you get the radius of the circle by taking the square root of 36, which is equal to 6. All right, so this shows you that, it's a circle here. And we're only figuring out a fourth of the circle. Okay, the area formed by 0 to 6. Okay, so like from this dot to this dot, and it's bounded by the y-axis here. Whoa. Okay, I did not mean to draw that huge line, but okay, we'll roll with it anyhow. So the area would be this region right here underneath the curve, bounded by the y-axis, because the reason why we're using the y-axis this time is because we're going from x equals 0 to x equals 6. And x equals 0 denotes that the one region is the y-axis, okay? And we're stopping at x equals 6. And so this area that's shaded by this region here. All right, and so in case you forget, the formula for the area of a circle is equal to pi times r squared. All right, but because we're only using a fourth of a circle here, we're going to do 1/4 times pi times r squared. Okay, we have a fourth of a circle. And r is equal to 6. So we're going to do 6 and square it and times it by a fourth and times it by pi. All right. And 6 squared is 36. If we multiply it by a fourth, we get 9. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So the area of this region is simply 9 pi. And if you want to get the decimal approximation, go right ahead. You'd take 9 times 3.14, and it's 27, 28 maybe. All right, and so also remember, since this is area, you should say it's 9 pi units squared. That's the units, that's not the number, okay? So, because remember, area is filling in the space with squares, so you're figuring out how many square units you're fitting in there. All right, so we have 9 pi units square. All right, so I hope these examples helped you, and let me know if you have any questions on the homework, which you guys are going to be doing tomorrow, and that's about it. Have a great day, guys. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.